Welcome back. You are watching Texas Dream Homes. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent. Today we are in Willow Wood, a neighborhood in McKinney, looking at a home built by Bloomfield Homes. This is the Dewberry model. This is a beautiful 2-story home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, starting at 2,800 square feet. Now the square footage can increase if you end up getting the model with a media room or other upgrades as well. Now as we walk in, you have that formal dining room, and that door I was unfortunately not able to go in was the garage. This is the kitchen. Now look at that space. The kitchen is humongous. You have this pretty much humongous island on the side, and just the biggest spot in the middle if you're going to be hosting parties and you want people to be surrounding the kitchen. Maybe have your char boards out there and all the snacks right there on that countertop. This is probably the best kitchen to do it at, for real. Now you do have the breakfast nook on this side as well. Everything flows pretty nice. The living room is not the biggest, but it just fits in the home and makes it feel nice and cozy. Now this is the backyard. Now of course it's not going to be this big or have that little drop in the back. That's just how the model homes were built, so don't expect that. You do have this super cute little fireplace there in the corner, and like I said, not the biggest living room, but everything is just kind of fits for the size of the home. Now Willow Wood does have a lot of outdoor activities, a lot of outdoor parks like the Murphy Park, Town Lake Park. They do have the Oak Hollow Golf Course as well. You are located in McKinney, so you're gonna have over 150 nearby restaurants, which is crazy. The location of this neighborhood is right off 75 and 380, so you are able to get in and out of the city fairly quickly. So if you need to go to Dallas or the surrounding cities, you're able to do that as well. So we're taking a look right now at that master bath with that humongous closet. Here's the master bedroom. It's a good size, I would say. It's not the biggest, but with the closet in there definitely makes up for that. And we'll head upstairs to go and check out the rest of the home. So prices in this neighborhood are starting in the high 500s. This home in particular is listed at $606,000. Now that would be for the base model, and of course that will go up with any upgrades. But I would highly recommend looking at new construction during this time in the real estate market. Especially closer to the end of the year, you're going to find some of the best deals and incentives that new construction is going to offer. Especially with the rates changing and less buyers out there in the market, you're definitely going to be able to take advantage of some amazing deals. So if you're interested in taking a look or have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm just a notification away. So this is kind of like the Jack and Jill bathroom. It's actually connected in there. Each room has its own sink, which I actually prefer. You kind of feel like you have your own bathroom. You just share the shower and the toilet. And this is another bedroom in here. This one's fairly spacious as well. And we'll take a look at the closet space in there. I think it's good for the size of the room. And that's pretty much it. This would be the last bedroom, and you do have that mini game room / living room upstairs as soon as you walk up. So this house, all in all, it's super cute. There's a ton of room for upgrades if you're interested in doing that. And like I said, if you're interested in touring this property, feel free to reach out. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. But other than that, I will see you at the closing table.